Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 isn't lasting as long as it used to, you're not alone. This is a common issue that often arises from a worn-out battery. If left unaddressed, it can lead to decreased performance and ultimately, your vacuum may become unusable. Fortunately, replacing the battery is a straightforward process that you can tackle yourself with the right tools. For this repair, you will need a replacement battery specifically designed for the Dyson V8, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. First, ensure your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Lay it down on a flat surface, making sure you have enough space to work. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the handle. There may be a few, so keep track of them as you go. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle away from the main body, being careful not to apply too much force as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. At this point, you will see the battery compartment. You may notice that the battery is secured with additional screws. Carefully unscrew these using the Phillips screwdriver. When the screws are removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious of any connected wires. If you see connectors, carefully disconnect them using the flathead screwdriver. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the wires, ensuring a snug fit. Once connected, place the new battery into the compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. After that, reattach the handle by aligning it back onto the main body and securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. To ensure everything is working correctly, plug in your Dyson V8 and turn it on. Check to see if it's charging properly and that the battery lasts longer than before. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid overcharging your Dyson V8 and keep it clean and free from dust. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your battery and overall performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.